Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video comes from our Wing Chun training session. It is Chum Kiu applications to the opening, but before we go there, I need you to go over the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and have a great day.
Starting here, Hak Sao 1 and 2. There's your warm-up, all right? Hak Sao 1, release step, 2. All right? Pair up, go. Doing a low shot. Come into the body. There's your elbows, right? So I'm stepping off the line. Here's your elbows. It comes into the body. I'm going to judge from your check, 1 and 2. All right? Drop the elbow. 1, check, 1 and 2. All right? From here, just turn with the elbow. Cover with it, check, 1 and 2. Elbow, check, 1 and 2. All right, go to work, go to work. He's going to come in the same thing, the low, that side. So from here, there's the cross for the face. So just like in Chum Kiu, there's your Bong Sao using the Wu Sao, right? So I'm coming here, my 1, and this is coming across. You don't need to throw in a Bong Sao, just take the lop and hit, right? So I'm step off the line, it's going to be here, just coming here, 1, or you can go here and then back over the top. All right, so again, 1, 2, or 2. Your choice. All right? All right, man, go play with that. Go play.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.